Pravin from Errorkart, one-stop IT solution for all your IT devices issue. Today I am here in front of you by taking a new topic, and the topic is data. We get many inquiries related to data, like the individual asks the questions about their hard drive is not working, their Windows is corrupted, or they have accidentally formatted or deleted the files or the folder. And the one question raised is, can the data be recovered? And the answer is yes, the data can be recovered. This process is called as data recovery. There are various types of hard drives, and depending upon the size and the connectivity, we can differentiate the hard drive according to their categories. This is a SATA hard drive of a desktop. This is a SATA hard drive of a laptop. As you can see, there is a size difference between the two hard drives. This is a SATA SSD for a laptop. This hard drive is having rotating structure, whereas this SSD is having NAND chips. So the data transfer rate is more or the double than the hard drive. Whereas in the market now we can see this M.2 or NVMe SSDs. And the last, pen drives. If you are facing any issues with your storage devices, first of all, be calm. Do not make any alteration or modification in your storage device. Now, according to the issues, we can divide majorly in two parts, like a logical issues or physical issues. Logical issues consist of accidental deletion, accidental formatted, partition error, file system error, or it can be reprogramming. Whereas in physical issues, if the head or the platter of the hard drive is damaged. For sorting out the physical issue, we need a class 100 clean room, whereas for logical issue can be sorted out with the help of the proper software. Remember, tempering the drive in an open or the normal environment can surely damage the data located on your hard drive. Instead, bring the drive to the professional data recovery, because they have a class 100 clean room, hardwares, softwares, and the most important, the required skill. There are multiple softwares on the internet which claims 100% of data recovery. Unless until you are not sure, please do not proceed with the purchase. Many softwares allows user to use a trial or a demo version so that the user can confirm what is the data recovery success rate. But still, after showing the file's name or the folder's name, there is not a 100% of guarantee that your data can be recovered. But successfully previewed files can be recovered. After choosing a right software, now the data recovery process starts. The first step is scanning. After the 100% scanning process completion, we will go for the second step, that is analyzing. Analyzing the recovered drive. Whatever the drives after the scan it is showing, we have to choose the right drive. And now the final step, that is backup or restoring your data. Always use a large amount of backup hard drive to restore your recovered data. Guys, my personal advice for all of you before proceeding for the data recovery, please do disk image of a patient hard drive, so that we have to work with the disk image, not with the patient hard drive. It keeps our data safe from the accidental corruption. For more information or for any further assistance, please do visit errorkart.com.